Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted every Tuesday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the theme today is Thanksgiving. So I'm going to do a little something that I've never done before. I brought in my Christmas tree and I'm going to decorate it for fall. But first I had this black and white table runner and I made the topper bow. And then I'm going to be using some fall leaf garland. But first I added some lights. And I also have some twinkle lights here that I'm going to add as well. Those twinkle lights I got at the Dollar Tree, and they are battery operated. Now I'll be adding the fall leaf garland. And a couple of Thanksgiving little birds. And I've just tucked the little birds inside the tree. So this is my fall Thanksgiving decorated tree. And there on the shelf I have some buffalo check cups and plates. And a pretty fall wreath at the window. And then next I'm going to be adding these hot cocoa signs to my tree. So I'm going to add this one, hot cocoa station. I usually have these hanging from the shelf, but I thought they would look cute on the tree. And the s'more sign, I'll be adding that as well. And I have another hot cocoa sign. All these signs I purchased at the Dollar General. Even the calories don't count candy corn sign. So here's a close-up of my tree, and I also added some bead garland. And I may be adding some more things to it, but this is all I have so far. And then the turkey I'm going to put up on the shelf with that little squirrel behind him. Okay, now I have a very simple tablescape, and I'm using the black and white theme. And I have these little cups and plates from Amazon. And I even have a black and white checkered napkin and my terracotta colored charger plates with my Linux dinner plate that's a cream color. Then another look at my shelf and my fall tree. And I will be lighting the candles, so please stay tuned for that. So my centerpiece is this picture with a pretty plaid and burlap bow with some autumn leaves in it. And then this DIY candle holder that I did a few years ago. And then this crystal goblet from the Dollar General. And then here is my gold and silver fork and knife. And my cute little bear pilgrims. And I also have another candle there in a black candle holder. And both of my DIY candlestick holders with a yellow candle in it that I've already lit. Okay, here I am lighting the rest of the candles. I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to go and check out the playlist and leave a comment and a like. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye-bye for now.